Hello and welcome, guys. My name is Imran Ismail. Hello, Shweta. Hello, Shreya. And hello, Arjun. Welcome to Bollywood Live.
Thank you.
Thank
Hi,
you. Thank you so much.
I'm good. How are you guys doing?
ladies.
I think release के पहले सबको थोड़े वो पेट में गुदगुदी होती है. So I think I'm pretty sure all of us, all three of us, are facing those feeling those butterflies in our tummies.
All right, so guys, this is a generic question that I'm starting with. I saw the trailer, all right, and I came to know that this trailer has been shot at your place itself. You guys have shot it in your home. I saw the trailer. It's really intriguing. It's like I'm on my toes to see kya actually mein kya hua hai, So I want to know how's the response been so far of the trailer, how people are responding to it. Let's start with Arjun.
Yeah, I think everybody who's watching the trailer is really liking it. I think because there is a bit of a surprise element to it in terms of ke, अरे ये lockdown में बना दिया. So I think that is definitely a strength we have. But other than that, I think there is intrigue and suspense and that thrill. I think the trailer is putting that across very well. So I think that is also something that is being received well.
Shweta?
वही ट्रेलर ही नहीं पूरा शो ही लॉकडाउन में बना है.
That was
And
the
in
next
fact,
question.
तो जो ट्रेलर हमें तो बहुत अच्छा लगा. In fact, the first time when we saw it, we were so excited because this
Yeah.
was a first for all of us. And मतलब सोशल मीडिया के लिए हम छोटू मोटू तो कुछ शूट करते ही रहते हैं जो डालते रहते हैं. But to do an entire series, to be shooting from 8 to 10 days, and जब आपका घर ही आपका सेट बन रहा है and आप खुद के costume, makeup, spot dada, you are the HOD of all the departments. So it was quite challenging, I think, for all of us also, especially for a director and DOP, because हमारे like in my case, my husband was shooting, so I'm sure अगर उनको late भी हो रहा था, you can't really say अरे जल्दी करो या वैसा करो. They had to be super and they were amazing.
All right, but tell me, this series has been shot entirely at home during lockdown. It's a new normal that we're following right now. So I want to know कि क्या limitations आ रही थी या फिर क्या experience था ये on set shoot करने के अलावा यहाँ पे कैसा experience होता है कि आपको कोई zoom से direction दे रहा है आपको और आपको उस पे enact करना है. How this works?
Actually, luckily we had readings and we had workshops and we used this app called Filmic Pro. So we were properly trained by our DOP to even train the person who would be helping us, to shoot it. And I think it was just a process of having faith, trust in the director to just make sure that we're on the same page. And the biggest challenge I would say was being directed on Zoom. And the whole thing of taking that shot, sending it, getting approved, coming back, making changes, you needed a lot of patience, and there were times when it would just be so exhausting because you're running around and doing all of it and you're not sure how it's going to turn out. So we really had to have a lot of faith, and kudos to our families and people we live with, because without their support, this would not have been possible.
Yeah, absolutely.
All right, you guys want to add something to it?
Yeah,
Very
just that. I
commit-
mean, yeah. Please continue.
no. Go.
Okay, well,
we-
just that. Just
Okay.
I love group chats.
you. Please now.
All right, Shweta, go ahead.
Okay. So I think commitment सिर्फ हमारा ही नहीं था. It's literally what Shreya said, कि वो सारे family members and the person you live with and who has to do it, because हमने तो हाँ कर दिया and we are doing something that we love, which is three of us acting. But our partners or family members who were shooting or helping out in other ways, उनको this was not, they didn't sign up for this. So hats off to the people who, and I to live in a joint family. So kitchen में shoot हो रहा है तो किसी को कुछ खाना वाना नहीं मिलेगा. So that was quite.
Oh man, yeah,
Yeah.
I can imagine. Yeah, just that the I'll be honest, the obstacles were endless, because just in terms of whether you're trying to match your location to someone else's or the resources were so limited, the shops are closed, so the means of getting anything you needed was so difficult. And really, I think and this is really hats off to Nikhil on this, because I've done a feature film with him as well. And this is possibly Nikhil's strongest quality, to really think on his feet. And if he's faced with a problem, he finds a creative solution to the problem rather than waiting for or demanding that particular thing which he required. You know what I mean? So there's a lot of troubleshooting and just thinking on the go that takes place also,
It's good like we are adapting to things like that. But I want to talk about the topic that is so relevant. I saw in the trailer that we are in pandemic and the show is made on made on such top. I'm sorry, on such topic. Uh, Tell me what did this lockdown period has taught you or made you realize as an actor or as an individual that about life or anything?
Deep question. Very deep. Come on, who's starting?
Bye will
जिंदगी
start.
जिंदगी के बारे में क्या सीखा है आपने?
I mean, I would say that when you have so much time and your mind finally centers itself, sometimes it can also make you uncomfortable, you know, because we're so used to hustling, being overoccupied in life in general, that I feel like it was a very important experience, especially for me to go through this, because not to sound overly spiritual and philosophical, but I feel like I learned a lot about myself. I was able to reassess my goals. A lot of things fell into perspective. And a time like this is when you actually, I mean, isn't it a shame that we are valuing human interaction now more than, you know, I mean, not before. You know, we're actually cherishing the person before us. We're having food with, you know, our family members. And up until now, I guess we just took it for granted. So it's been a reality check. And somewhere when that seeps into your personality, I'm sure as actors, this is going to help us emote maybe perhaps, you know, in different ways also.
All right. Who's going next? Arjun?
श्वेता प्लीज.
मैंने तो ये डिस्कवर किया कि पहले भी मैं खाना नहीं बना सकती थी और ये सारे सोशल मीडिया पे जहाँ लोग कॉफी वॉफी बना रहे थे, आई ट्राइड मेकिंग इट एंड मतलब ओ गॉड इट वाज सच अ डिजास्टर. आई कॉफी जिस दिन बनाई तो उस दिन चीता का पेट ही खराब हो गया. कॉफी पी के किसका पेट खराब होता है, बट आई मैनेज टू डू दैट. देन देयर वाज दिस अदर टाइम आई ट्राइड टू मेक पीनट बटर, मेरे भी एम्बिशियस वो ना पीनट बटर आइसक्रीम, एंड वाज सच अ डिजास्टर. It was so bad that because my sister-in-law, she loves me, she had it, but nobody else even went for a second round. So I think one thing that I've realized is कि वो करो जो तुम्हें खुशी दे. Yes, social media say there is a lot of inspiration and creativity to which will motivate you, but there is no race. लाइफ में एनीवे पूरा वो बहुत प्रेशर होता है, क्या करना चाहिए क्या नहीं करना चाहिए. तो अपनी पर्सनल लाइफ में भी वो कुछ मत करो. कुछ भी अगर नहीं सीखा लॉकडाउन में, दैट्स आल्सो एब्सोल्युटली ऑलराइट. कोई शो नहीं देखा, दैट्स आल्सो फाइन. व्हाट इज इम्पोर्टेंट इज आई थिंक भाई की होल्डिंग ऑन टू दैट सिल्वर लाइनिंग, कि जो भी भाई सेलिब्रेटिंग द स्मॉलर जॉयज इन लाइफ. सो आई थिंक आई स्टार्टेड प्रैक्टिसिंग ग्रैटिट्यूड अ लॉट. एंड जो छोटी छोटी चीज होती हैं, चाहे वो खाना खाना ही क्यों ना हो, वो सेलिब्रेट करना बहुत जरूरी है.
Yeah. I have to agree with a lot of what she said, you know, that number one, there is a lot of, you know, thanks to social media, this immense pressure of having a good life and, you know, presenting the best of yourself to social media. And it's really ridiculous, you know, because a lot of people feel the complexes of, अरे यार मैं क्यों नहीं productive हो रहा, मैं क्यों नहीं ऐसा ये कर रहा वो कर रहा. And exactly what she said, you know, that I think at this time, it's really important to just do what it takes to keep your mental equilibrium straight. Really, अपने उतना ही करके इससे निकल गए वो बहुत है, you know. So that's what I think. As a human, I think like really what the crux of what I think we've all learned is that, you know, we're all in this like crazy rush to go nowhere, you know.
Yeah.
And it's been a really, and I'm sorry, you know, this is of course me speaking from a very privileged position, you know, because while I say this, there are so many, you know, so many people in the world who are really suffering, and it's unfortunate. But for us that are in this particular circumstance, I think it's been important for us to slow down and really reassess what's important. के और सच में खुश रहने के लिए, जिंदा रहने के लिए हमें किस किस की जरूरत है, किन चीजों की जरूरत है, हवा पानी थोड़ा सा प्यार, you know, these things are just the basic. Rest is all आया गया, you know. And as an actor also, like I've been having this thought, like you know, like everything that we've made, everything that we've watched so far until this point in time has been of this pre-corona reality, you know. And now as artists and creators, how do we, I mean, the Gone Game, of course, is kind of straddling that, you know, it is kind of successfully doing that. But there are so many people who are currently writing and developing, or wo, I can't imagine the confusion, because how do you write and develop something that is set in an old world, and that world is no over, as we know, you know. So I don't know. I mean, like, how this is about to start reflecting, how this reality is about to start reflecting in our art, is something that's interesting, and I guess we're going to learn as we go along, you know.
One day at a time.
Very well
Yeah,
said. Deep
Yeah.
question का deep answer with
yeah,
Arjun आपने.
yeah, you know.
So let's talk about OTT as a platform right now, providing opportunities for the young actors and the upcoming actors who are coming in. I want to know, how brave is OTT according to you? Because making a series, having a protagonist as a female and a strong lead, you know, how brave do you think this platform, and what does OTT boom means to you right now?
I wouldn't
Shweta?
say it's
Okay.
brave to have strong female. I mean, I wouldn't use that word as brave. I just feel like in the OTT space, you're seeing less of hero heroine and mostly more of character driven shows. And just the fact that, for example, even if there's somebody in one scene and that person has done a good job, you have someone appreciating that. Like in Patal Lok, there was a credit Potty Man of that.
Yeah.
I don't know if you guys have seen it. Even that one scene, and that's great. You know, isn't that wonderful that you can come, you can perhaps you'll be appreciated for something you do. So in that sense, it's good that those opportunities are there before us, and we can just hope that the writing is not compromised, and the star system doesn't seep into this also, and it's fair.
I mean, you know, we've been facing this debate for a few years about cinemas versus OTT and all. And I think here we are, you know, now we've been forced in this situation, and our questions have been answered. You know, cinemas as we know it as of now are done. You know, I don't know, people are still announcing releasing in theaters, ye wo, but किसी को actually कुछ पता नहीं है क्या होने वाला है. You know, वो सब, that's all in hope, that people are still saying ke releasing in theaters, you know. And it's an interesting time. I mean, like, people, actors like the three of us here have, I think, pretty much focused on doing grounded work, which has always found a space outside of single, you know, theaters and single screen theaters, and outside of mainstream Bollywood. And there's a huge audience for that, you know, and we're okay, we're fine. I think the trouble, really, the big budget A-list Bollywood is going to have the trouble adjusting to this space, because it's so interesting. Because right now it's, I mean, look at it, the biggest of films are getting just as much exposure and are being talked about just as much as the smallest of films. Gunjan Saxena and Loot Case are very equal right now where they are, you know. And so yeah, I think it's amazing because it's totally leveled the playing field, and what's really going to count here is now content, talent, authenticity, and I think they're all things to look forward to. Yeah.
All right, Shweta, you have to add anything to that?
I mean, whatever they've said, I absolutely agree with that. But I think कि सिर्फ young actors को opportunities नहीं, in fact, so many older actors, and not only actors, I think writers, directors, musicians, there are a lot of people, thanks to OTT, जिनको एक chance मिला है to showcase their work. And what I really like is that हमारे जो protagonists होते हैं, male, female, whichever way it is, वो you know वो shampoo करके हमेशा conditioned बाल में नहीं आते,
Has
या
an
फिर
equal
वो एकदम
representation,
tied
you
के
can say, right?
कपड़े. Correct, it's very real, and also the characters are not black and white or just gray. You can see layers and you can see colors in almost every character, and that as
Yeah.
actors we find very exciting. क्योंकि ये नहीं है कि मतलब आप मुझे हीरोइन वर्ड ही नहीं पसंद है, तो वो जो आप हीरो तो यू नो आपको ये टिक मार्क है, ये ऐसे ही होना है, इस हाइट का होना है, ऐसा लगना है, ऐसे कपड़े पहने, वो सब नहीं है. And I'm sure all three of us, we really enjoy being as real and raw as possible. In fact, मुझे तो अगर कुछ काम मिल जाएगा, where I have to be prim and proper, and you know वो लट ऐसी होनी है, मेरी तो जान निकल जाएगी. I think that's very very difficult.
Actually, maintaining that one lut is more difficult.
Exactly.
That's the thing. There's very little room here for image. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
So yeah, I think that's what it comes down to here. Because also with social media, unfortunately, वो image ज़्यादा रही नहीं. With so much access to actors and everything, it's really not about the image. It's about the person you are and whether you can connect with your audience on an authentic level, you know.
Right.
Okay.
I have one last question for you guys, and then I'll let you go. All right. So I want to settle something. All right. So right now, our industry is divided into two things: inside and outside debate. People looking from outside are really confused what's happening inside the industry right now. So I want to know, what do you think about the outside and insider debate and the existing power structure that we have in our industry right now, and where do you stand?
I want to know what he means by who is an insider and who is an
All right.
outsider.
So in my case, what I'm trying to say is people coming from outside, all right, who are not belonging to the Bollywood family or anyone who doesn't have a godfather to say, all right. So right now, people say they're struggling to come in right now, and they struggle their way up, where targets are getting opportunities like that. So I want to know your perspective on this. What do you feel about this power structure that we have in the industry right now, and what do you feel about the insider and outsider debate?
So
Okay,
as
yeah, go.
coming from a family of actors, I'll say that I had no godfather, man. I've given 200, 300 auditions, and people don't know what I've not got. They know what I've got. So I am not going to sit and convince anyone कि मैंने कितनी मेहनत की. What is there for people to see. You know, sometimes so many people come up to me, or even on social media, if somebody just writes the word nepotism under any of my one picture, there'll be 4 people who come and defend me. So I realize that people, if you're talented and if people have observed your journey, they know you don't come from an entitled space. And entitlement, the problem is entitlement. Inside, outside, wo to matlab, everyone has the freedom to do whatever they want to. But I just think in these conversations, they should be had without any bullying and hatred and just so much negativity around these discussions. That, I mean, why it doesn't really, I think it's become an old conversation now. I don't know.
Right? Correctly said.
Shweta?
मुझे तो ये है कि जिनको इससे प्रॉब्लम है, लेट्स से इनसाइडर आउटसाइडर से, तो आप उनकी फिल्में मत देखो ना. आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड. लोगों को देखना भी है, लोग पहले यू नो फर्स्ट डे फर्स्ट शो भी देखेंगे, एंड देन दे विल से कि अरे नेपोटिज्म है. इट्स इन योर हैंड. आई थिंक watching anything, giving anything a view, sharing something or buying that ticket is like voting. आप जिसको ज्यादा व्यू देंगे उसको ज्यादा काम मिलेगा. It's as simple as that. And also I think problems and hardships सबको होती हैं. आप अगर मुझसे पूछो that in my next जन्म अगर मैं एक्टर ही बनना चाहती हूँ, would I want to be born like how I was, where my dad's an IAS officer and mom's a teacher, या फिर I would want to be born in a star family. I want to be born as me, क्योंकि उनकी जो struggles होती हैं, like Shreya said, we don't know that side, and I'm sure it's not easy. So it's very easy to blame game करना. And ये नवाज भाई ने इनफैक्ट कहा था कि अगर टैलेंट है तो कभी ना कभी तो तुम्हारा नंबर आएगा. So, and it's not easy. It's not easy to be a star kid, to have a surname which is loaded, and the expectations are crazy, or being a so-called outsider. I think वो आप try करते रहो. मुश्किल है ये अपने सपने ड्रीम्स को फॉलो करना, बिल्कुल भी इजी नहीं है. एंड ये वाली बात बायस सब होता है. इट्स ह्यूमन नेचर, एंड ये हर इंडस्ट्री में होता है. वो बस आई थिंक बिकॉज एवरीबडी नोज सबका नाम, तो हमारे इंडस्ट्री में ज्यादा इट्स फन टू टॉक अबाउट. But I'm absolutely okay with it.
All right.
To add to what you're saying, for example, today producers invest in actors for 2 years before they're launched. They're already stars before their first film releases. So much thought and effort has gone into it. Therefore, people do feel like going and watching because they've been given that. Now, that debate, is that right, is that wrong, it is that creative person's decision to do it. Is it unfair? Yes, it does feel unfair. But in a creative field, it is the choice of a maker who's putting his money. So I don't know how to even in my mind debate that,
I think a couple of things actually. That number one, it's not just producers who are creating this. First of all, as Shweta said, it exists everywhere. अब आप Reliance Industries में घुसेंगे, आप आकाश अंबानी की जगह नहीं ले सकते हैं, ठीक है? You cannot. It's simple. So you do what you can. These structures exist everywhere. So, and more than a power structure problem within the industry itself, I think I see it as more of a societal problem, because audience and media is just as involved in creating the problem.
Absolutely.
As producers are businessmen, all right, and they will follow the money. But who are the people putting the money? It's the audience putting the money. You know, who are the people creating the demand and supply? It's the media creating the demand and supply. You know, so whatever that is what it is. You know, honestly. And as for this के अभी जो, and sure, okay, अभी debate चल रहा है, अच्छी बात है. If powerful people in Bollywood are you know, questioning where they've come from and where they want to go, that's also good. But what this has become and what it has become out of the death of an individual, it is a shame. It is an absolute tamasha. Or ऐसे में तो, I mean, you know, I've been acting for 12 years and I've had my share of this bitterness and these thoughts of all this, but there's really nothing to be doing about it. You know, you can't come out and wash all your dirty laundry in public and start spitting venom at people, because there's really nothing else to be done here except just keep your head down and keep working. You know, you wanna shake power structures, keep your head down and keep working. You know, maybe you will someday. But yeah, I feel a lot of this is absolutely unrequired and uncalled for, what is going on right now. You know,
What
Agree
you
to
said,
that.
Arjun, I mean, I completely resonate with that when you mean that the onus is not just on the makers. It's
Yeah.
also on the people. Like, you know, sometimes you go for events and, you know, you're being clicked, and then suddenly there is a somebody, and your moment is gone. So that respect is not always shown in that way. So then who does one point to, you know?
Correct. Not a problem. So guys, I guess this is my time. I'm getting a message from your PR, so I should end this interview right now. But best of luck for you guys. That the trailer is looking amazing. I'm going to look forward to it, and I'm going
thanks a lot.
give my advice on that. Thank you so much, guys, and thank you so much.
Thank you.
See you.
Lovely being here. Thanks a lot.